In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview. The Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission, or JSSC, has officially released the JTMACCE 2025 notification. This recruitment drive is for trained graduate teachers across multiple subjects. Interested candidates can submit their applications online by visiting the official website, jssc.jharkhand.gov.in. This is a great opportunity for those looking to start a teaching career in Jharkhand. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies available. There are approximately 26,001 vacancies announced under this recruitment. These vacancies are spread across various subjects like Hindi, English, political science, geography, and psychology. Reserved categories such as SC, ST, OBC, EWS, and persons with disabilities have specific allocations as per government norms. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee. The application fee for general, OBC, and candidates from other states is 100 rupees. For SC and ST candidates from Jharkhand, the fee is 50 rupees. Persons with disabilities from Jharkhand are exempt from paying the fee. Please note that the application fee is non-refundable under any circumstances. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates. The notification was released on the 2nd of June 2025. Online applications will begin from the 1st of August 2025. The last date to apply will be announced on the official portal, so keep checking regularly. Also, admit card release and examination dates will be notified soon after the application process ends. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limit criteria. The minimum age required is 21 years. The maximum age varies based on category: 40 years for unreserved males, 42 years for backward classes, 43 years for unreserved females, and up to 45 years for SC and ST candidates. Additionally, PWD candidates get a 5-year relaxation in the upper age limit. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the required educational qualifications. Candidates must hold a bachelor's degree in the relevant subject with at least 50% marks. A Bachelor of Education, or B.Ed, is mandatory. For special education or technical teaching posts, additional qualifications and certifications may be needed. Registration with the Rehabilitation Council of India is required for special educators.